So now we're going to take a look at horizontal asymptotes. So I have this chart here again to remind us of the different conditions for horizontal asymptotes. Starting with our first example. Again, if there are any common factors, get rid of them. Our first example doesn't have any. So we're going to move on to our next step. Determine the degree of the numerator and the degree of the denominator. Remember, when you've got a constant, the degree is 0. The degree of the denominator, highest power, is 1. And then we follow our chart. And this is similar to our parent function. So I know that the horizontal asymptote, if the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator, 0 is less than 1, the horizontal asymptote occurs at y equals 0 or the x-axis. Let's take a look at B. It is factored, no common factors. So the degree of the numerator is 2, the degree of the denominator is 2, and when they are equal, that's this last one here, the horizontal asymptote is y equals the lead coefficient of the numerator, so in this case 2, over the lead coefficient of the denominator, in this case 1. So our horizontal asymptote would be y equals 2. The last one, factored, no common factors, so the degree of our numerator is 2. The degree of our denominator is 1. So this is the case where if the degree of the numerator is greater than the degree of the denominator, there is no horizontal asymptote.